Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, causes of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis. Causes of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis can be primary or it can be secondary. They can be primary or they can be secondary. Primary or also called as idiopathic. In primary or idiopathic, actually it is primary or idiopathic diffuse crysenteric glomerulonephritis. This primary or idiopathic crysenteric glomerulonephritis is of four types. One, it can be type 1 rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis, which is an anti-glomerular basement membrane antibody disease. Here, antibodies are found against the basement membrane, causing rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis type 1. We have type 2 rapidly progressive there is also type 2 membranous proliferative glomerulonephritis. Membranous proliferative glomerulonephritis type 2 is also a cause, and then membranous glomerulonephritis can progress to rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis, and IgA nephropathy will also result in rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis. Then if you see the secondary causes, in the secondary causes, it is sometimes this rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis is associated with infectious diseases. In the infectious diseases, it is associated with post streptococcal glomerulonephritis or infective endocarditis, and then it is associated with hepatitis B. Then it is also associated with multi-system diseases. In the multi-system diseases, it is associated with systemic lupus erythematosus, Henox-Conlin purpura, or Wegener's granulomatosis. It is also associated with microscopic polyarteritis. Then, this rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis is also associated with one more disease. It is also associated with other variants. We have other variants of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis. Other variants of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis include cryoimmunoglobulinemia. These cryoimmunoglobulinemia are mixed variety or they are essential variety. Then we have lung cancer or lymphoma are associated with rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis.
thank you and thank you for watching.